Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove items from cart on Alibaba. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Alibaba account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, where exactly can you find Alibaba? You can find Alibaba on Apple Store or Google Play Store depending on the device that you use. Once you launch any of those applications, head over to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Alibaba. Once you do that, follow through with the on-screen instructions to install the app, and after downloading the application, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page. Once you get into the sign-up page, you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to sign up by creating an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, is going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Alibaba. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to remove items from cart on Alibaba. So let's say from this home page, you pick the product and you add it to cart. And now you want to remove the item from a cart because you don't want to save it to your cart anymore. This is exactly what you can do to remove your items from cart. Now from this home page, head over to the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to find home, you're going to find tips, messenger, cart, and my Alibaba. Go ahead and click on cart, and it's going to take you right into your carts window. Now over here, I have two products that I've added to my cart. Now let's say I want to remove the cart because that's the core of this tutorial. I'm going to check the product, and just right next to the product, you're going to see this. I'm sure you can see the delete icon right next to the product. So just right here where I have the FXN Electronics Technology Co. Ltd. and I have the picture of the product, I have the description of the product right next to it. You see the delete icon. So I'm going to click on that delete icon, and just clicking on that delete icon, it takes the product out of my cart. As you can see, it is no more here. So clicking on the delete icon means taking the product out of your cart, just like we have exhibited, or just like we have shown in this tutorial. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.